Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Chrysler Pacifica. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to take off your driver's side front door panel. Okay, it's gonna be same procedure for the passenger side. So let's start. First thing we're gonna remove this rubber right here. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm gonna, if you don't have a gap here to put your screwdriver in, you can just press here, then you're gonna get a little gap, you can see, and put your screwdriver in and get the rubber out. So I need two hands for this. So I'm just pressing on it and removing the. Here we have a 10mm bolt, and we're gonna take our 10mm socket with a ratchet and remove this bolt. Okay, once we have the bolt out, just put it on the ground somewhere, and now what we have to do, we have to get this lid out. To get this lid out, there is a little pin right here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a little tiny screwdriver and just try to remove this lid. Okay, so next thing is you have to get this lid out. So just put something, if you have a little like a hook thing, you can just put the hook in and get the cap out. All right, once we have this cap out, by the way, be careful, it's very brittle, it's gonna scratch easy. Okay, put it on the ground. Over here we have another 10mm bolt, so let's get it out. Okay, next thing. Okay, now at this point what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to unclip the panel from the door. So what I'm doing here is I'm just gonna grab on the bottom and try to unclip the clips. Just try to grab it. Okay. Okay, so this is how you're gonna unclip. There are a lot of clips around it, so just unclip it. Okay. Now, once you have everything unclipped, you should be able to raise the. Okay, so basically we have to just remove all the clips around it. Just unclip the whole door from everywhere. Okay. It's all good, don't worry about it. Just slow and steady. Okay, here we go. Okay, slow and steady. What we're gonna do here now, we're gonna okay, first of all we have to do this thing. We have to remove this connector. Okay, so just press on the inside, and over here you're gonna have a connector. Remove it by pressing on this pin right here. Okay, press on the pin, remove this thing. Here we have our locks. Okay, here we have a connector we have to remove. This connector, press on it and unplug. Here we have our handle. How do we remove a handle? You see these two sides on it? These two sides, actually that's why you need two hands to do this. You're gonna press on this lip right here and the other lip. You see this little green thing? You're gonna squeeze them and get them out. Okay, so as you can see, just get this thing out. Over here you have a ball in the end. Just gonna get it out like this. Same thing on the bottom one. Okay, so you have this thing out, just remove it and get this out. That's it, your panel is off. Just put it somewhere here. And now at this point you can do whatever you have to do with this. Okay, so you have all the stuff you need. Okay, module, speaker, window motor, the regulator itself, everything. Okay, so now when we have to put this everything back, we're gonna do the same reverse procedure. Okay, grab the panel. Okay, the bottom link goes in here. Okay, just put it in. Oh, it's hard to do it with one hand. So put this thing in, and just like this, clip it in. Okay, simple. Same thing here. On this. Oh my god. Okay, just put this in, and like this. Simple. Okay, don't forget to connect two connectors here. Okay, this one and this one, and then we're gonna align the door. Let me connect this up. Okay, so I have this. I have one connector plugged. This one, just make sure you don't lose it there. Now, you can actually put this thing on. You want to connect it. Just connect it. You know, like this. You can also put it back in. Easy. Now, what you have to do, as you can see, you had these clips. This 1, 2, 3. Like there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And another 6, like 10 of them. Okay, and they go in the same holes. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to put them in the holes. Okay, so align them. If they don't go, it means you are misaligned. Okay, make sure you're aligned, and then you just press on. So put the top first. Okay, so I have the top on, but now we have to align sides. Okay, I can see the one is misaligned right here, so I have to align it and tap it in. Okay, once you have everything aligned, everything should be fine. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna put back one 10mm bolt in here and 10mm bolt in here, and cover everything with caps, with covers. Okay, and that's it. That's the whole procedure. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button, and have a great day. Bye bye.